From there, we go to activities that show that Jesus is a worker. From the Bible, there are those activities that show Jesus was a worker. Which activities are those? Can you mention a few? Raise up your hand. Yes? Healing the sick, yes. Yes. Yes, being a carpenter. Yes, raising the dead. Yes. Feeding, yes, like feeding the 5,000. Calming the storm. Yes. Yes, leadership. Who was he leading? The disciples. Very good. Then we continue from there. We were talking about activities that show that Jesus is a worker. He was teaching in the synagogue. He healed the sick. He raised the dead to life. Like who? Who did he raise? Sorry? Lazarus. Very good. He also, the what? Jairus' son. Yes. Feeding the people. For example, he fed the 5,000 what? Was it 5,000 men? He being a carpenter, that is, he assisted his father. He also identified with workers by drawing examples or talking about workers. For example, when he talked, we read about it, when he talked about the parable of the sower. And then washing the disciples' feet. That was work during the Last Supper. There is also calming the storm. And fishing, which he did with his disciples. He also judged cases. Remember the woman who was caught with adultery? Yes? What did he say? Yes, the first, if you are not on the what? On the wrong, to first cast your what? The stone. And they all left. Also training his disciples on how to carry out their work. He told them, if you go to a place and you're not accepted, what should you do? You dust off your feet to show that what? Yes, judgment will come to that what? House. There is also leadership. He commissioned the what? The disciples.